Jambo and welcome to PowerPoint classes by Teacher Joe. This is being one of the most final sessions in PowerPoint. If you have followed the other series, we have covered most of the features, and for this lesson we're going to learn about the normal view, the outline view, and the slide sorter, and we shall also do what we call promotion and demotion of slides. Yes, promotion and demotion. So PowerPoint has various views. There is normal view that shows you the slide miniatures on the left, then the main slides that you have selected on the center screen, and the speaker notes on the bottom side. So that is the normal. The outline view shows the texts in each of the slides, and then the slide on this side, and the notes on the bottom right side. Then we have the slide sorter, which shows you the slides, miniatures as thumbnails across on your screen. The ones that have animations, you see that star, that tells you that there is a slide transition. There is a slide transition, there is a slide transition across that. So that is also a tip that you need to know when you are working with PowerPoint as regards to what is the work of that star there. Now we go back to the outline view, and then we do something called promotion and demotion. If you have a slide, like slide number 2 that is selected here, and the last bullet, Kenya Airways is its national carrier. Assuming that you wanted to add more details and make this a slide of its own, then that's called promotion. You go to the outline view, then you select the bullet that you want to promote, you click at it. Once it is selected, the cursor is blinking where Kenya Airways is typed. Then you can right click and select promote. Select promote. This is a trick that most people don't know, and it is in PowerPoint. Then you select promote. What that does, once you click it, that bullet becomes a slide, just like that. And now here you can write more details about Kenya Airways. It was established in 1958. It's owned by government and 30% by public. It covers over 35 destinations in Africa and 25 out of Africa. It is part of the Sky Team. So we have promoted. It was a bullet initially, but we have promoted it to become a slide. So that is how you promote a bullet. Demotion is the same. When you want to demote a slide, you just right click and then you select demote. It will be demoted to become a bullet in the preceding slide. That would be some exercise for you to do on your own. Now, if you wanted to make slide number 3 to become the last slide, maybe it's not so much of importance where it is in terms of position. You want it to be the last slide. So that talks about moving the slide. You go to the slide sorter. Now you see all the slides, and this is the slide that we promoted to become a new slide. And you can even reduce the zoom levels so that you can be able to see all your slides in one screen. Then you can now click and drag to the last position, and voila, that is where now it is. Note that this new slide, though it has a slide number, the slide number is automatically, the moment you change the location, the slide number updates automatically. But note, it doesn't have a star. In other words, it doesn't have a transition and an animation. So the animations and transitions have not been affected in that slide. So that is how you do promotion and demotion for PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching, Subscribe, share the videos, share this channel with your friends, and let's learn together. Thank you, and God bless you.